Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out topics on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this book icon down below, which is the second icon. Then click on topics at the top. And here you have a bunch of categories such as introductory English, basic, lifestyle, small talk, work and career, education, holidays, relationships, health, video lessons, and so on. Here you can find the trending nouns, so tap on a relevant one that you would like to check out. Here you have the lessons, so tap on it, small talk at work, for example. Here you can find the mixed skills, click on the button start, and you will be able to start the exercise. So all you have to do is tapping on the microphone icon and say cafeteria, and you will get the result. Tap on this
leftovers
arrow pointing to the right direction, so that's how you can proceed with the exercises. So the thing is that you can choose from a bunch of categories. Here if you tap on the view all button you can check out all of them, and if you tap on you can find additional subtopics. If you want to, you can add it to your favorites by clicking on this heart icon. As you can see, it has been added to the my favorite section. So if you go back and tap on this button, you will be able to find these exercises. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.